Welcome to Week 1, Set 1 instruction, and this set deals with prehistory and human migration. So this is an introduction to prehistory and human migration. What I would like for you to do is, in this lesson, is define prehistory and history, and then trace the early migratory patterns of humans. There will be three things that you will be doing. You will download prehistory and human migration questions. You will move to the Khan Academy reading material, and you will read the passages called Early Societies, Homo sapiens and Early Human Migrations, and Paleolithic Societies. And then you will answer the questions that go with those. You will then download the world map, and you will then draw the migration routes of early humans. The earliest humans were discovered in Africa, and the migratory patterns will move from Africa. So once you get into the Middle East, you'll see that the migratory patterns of humans will split, and one pattern will go east and one pattern will go west. After you finish asking and answering the questions, reading and answering the questions, you will submit your assignment directly into Canvas. And then I would remind you to upload a copy of into your World History folder, Week 1, calling this Prehistory and Human Migration and World Migration Map. This is the Week 1, Set 1, Assignment 1, Prehistory and Human Migration Questions and Human Migration Map. This is where you'll find all of the information that you need, and this is from where you will submit your assignments. So you're submitting two things. You're submitting the answers to the questions on prehistory and human migration, and you are submitting your world map showing the migratory patterns of humans. Submitting your answers, I would also remind you to upload a copy of to your World History folder, Week 1, and name the two files, Prehistory and Human Migration and World Map Human Migration Patterns. I would also remind you that when you are looking at the Khan Academy information, that you remember to return to the modules to complete the remaining activities.